Evening, Kurt here from Teach Mom How. Tonight I'm going to show you how to figure out how long it's going to take you to pay off a personal debt depending on how much you can afford to pay per month. And we're going to do all this using Excel with building a custom financial calculator. Excel is amazing for this. You really should dive into all my tutorials about Excel, but this is great. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so again, like the other financial calculators, we need the rate, the interest rate, interest rate, the number of periods, number of months, the PMT, the payment, the PV, present value, the type, and the FV, the future value. Okay, so what is your interest rate on this personal loan? I just assumed it's 12% for the sake of this, which means it's 1% per month. So whatever your annual interest rate is, you've got to divide that by 12 and put that percentage in the rate. Okay, so 1% per month or 12% per year. Leave this one blank for right now. That's the equation we're going to write. Put how much you've agreed to pay per month on this loan, $150, and put present value at whatever the loan amount is. I chose to do $5,000. Type, put 0. Final value, put 0 because you're trying to pay this off. Okay, so if I can only pay $150 per month, how long will it take me to pay this off? It'll take me nearly 29 months or 2.4 years. How do we calculate that? I will show you now. So delete this and click on the cell, the NPER cell, and go to Formulas, Insert Function, and choose NPER. Insert, Rate, that one. PMT, this one. PV, that one. Final value, this one. And type, this one. Then click Done, and it will calculate 28.9 months or 2.4 years to pay this off. Okay, now what if you can put $200 towards it? There you go. It'll take you less than 2 years or 22 months. $300. There you go, 1.29 years, 15 months. What if I can put $600 a month towards it? Takes me 8 months to pay it off. Okay, so there you have it. That is how you calculate your debt payoff, how long it will take you to pay off a certain debt using Excel. I hope you found that useful. Please check out the other Excel tutorials that are in the link in the description and subscribe to Teach Mom How. Now get out there and pay off your debts. Let's go.